This module will be discussing the architecture and the data flow in IT visibility with Technology Intelligence Platform. With the introduction of the Technology Intelligence Platform that is implemented as a scalable big data platform, the data lakehouse, we're going to facilitate fast ingestion of data and improved integration to ServiceNow. It's going to reveal the data at scale with Power BI embedded, and it includes a more powerful API so that you can access your data through GraphQL. The normalization process, as we saw earlier, is still the same. The data flow into Flexera 1 is still the same as we've seen earlier and with earlier versions of IT visibility. We ingest data on the left-hand side, we normalize and then curate that data, we contextualize that data in the middle with business services or other type of insights that we need to cross-report against. We then enrich that data and facilitate insights and analytics with Power BI embedded as the reporting platform. And you can obviously bring your own BI if you want, and it facilitates taking action based on those insights. You can drive recommendations or even automate actions through the automation engine coming along with the Flexera 1 solution set. So processing of data into a single source of truth, again, as we've seen earlier, this is coming from ingesting data on the left-hand side, the raw data from various data sources into the mix, normalizing that in the middle against the Technopedia taxonomy, and then obviously also potentially bring in your business service mapping as a discovery source to contextualize your data against, and as such understand priorities and the criticality of something approaching end of support or end of life or running potential vulnerability software as part of your critical workloads. It filters away a lot of that information, especially on the software side, getting rid of irrelevant data, so you end up with a cleansed data set that is then categorized against the Technopedia taxonomy, becomes the outset for then feeding that data into other consumers of the data on the right-hand side, for instance, the ServiceNow and its CMDB. But in that context, you can also facilitate other use cases through Power BI or GraphQL API interfaces into the Technology Intelligence Platform.